There are two parts of the Jelly Bean factory tour. The main part of your visit should be the tour inside the factory itself. The last tour is at 4 p.m. I wouldn't arrive later than 3:30. The second part is the Jelly Bean Museum. It is located in the building right across the other side of the parking lot. The Jelly Bean store located in the factory building is usually the last place people visit after the factory tour. But I always like to get my candy first and enjoy it along the way. Your ticket already includes a small bag of jelly bean, so if you don't want your children to be overloaded with sugar, you don't need to buy anything extra. I always want to visit the store first because I wanted to be surprised by the new flavors. We'll spend a minute to look through all the new flavors at the end of the video. For now, I'd like to show you a little bit about the factory tour. Then we will take a look at the Jelly Bean Museum. By the way, the Jelly Bean hat is your ticket to enter the tour. Let's get started. After the factory tour, you can visit the building on the other side of the parking lot. Although it takes a less than 5 minutes walk to the museum from the factory, I would make sure to take my kids to the Little Jelly Bean Express. By the way, there's a cafe on site, but they close at 3 p.m. We are going to go through some of the popular jelly bean flavors before we end this video. I hope you find this video helpful and happy to give us a like. If you even subscribe, I really appreciate it. Have a good trip. See you next time.